गोंयाक दिल्लीसारखे शार करपाची कांयच गरज ना असो संदेश विज्ञान आणि पर्यावरण केंद्राच्यो महासंचालक सुनीता नारायण हिणें दिलो। दिल्ली सारकिल्ल्या शारांत वाडपी हवेचें प्रदूषण, येरादारीची कोयणी, कोयराचें वेवस्थापन, बेकायदेशीर बांदकामां आणि अतिक्रमण ह्या गंभीर समस्या निर्माण जाल्यात। लिवेबल सिटी ही संकल्पना गोंयच्या संदर्भात येत आसा। पांचवीचार आणि उदका संसाधनांचें संवर्धन, दर्जेदार हॉस्पिटलां आणि शिक्षणीक सुविधा, कार्यक्षम भौशीक येरादारी वेवस्था आणि जमनीच्या वापराचेर खर शिस्त लावपाक जाय हाचेर सरकारान भर दिवचो अशेंय तिचें म्हणणें।
That please understand that we do not need a Delhi type Goa at all. No more Delhis, and I'm not talking about Delhi alone, I'm talking about all the mega metropolitan cities and the vision of the metropolitan city we have, which is today a car congested city where we do not have the right to breathe, we have polluted water, we have garbage, we have encroachment, and we have traffic violation. This is not the view of a livable city. We need a livable Goa. Needs to be a modern, livable Goa, which means it needs green spaces, it needs blue spaces, it needs good hospitals, it needs good schools, it needs public transport so that you do not become a car-centric Goa. It means keeping discipline over the land use that you have. You cannot have a master plan which is known by more the breach of the master plan than the master plan itself. Changing land use at the whims of anyone should not be acceptable, because land use is about your view, your vision, your dream, your livable city. That is what the aim of the master plan is. At the end of it, we have to understand that we need an inclusive, affordable city. We need livelihoods for the very poor. But the kind of populism which is leading to anarchy in our cities today does not lead to even good livelihoods for the very poor. So what we have to understand is we need a different vision, a different concept of what an Indian livable city will be. We cannot draw from the model of the Western world, which are resource intensive, very expensive, very inequitable. We cannot make our cities more Delhis, more Gurugrams, more Bengalurus, more any of the cities where today livability quotient is coming down.